Hey, we're back. At another dive site, as you can see, we got quite a few people.
Kayakers, tubers.
Yeah, tubers, and the little bridge you see right there, there's already 2 kayaks that spilled over. So we're guessing that there's a whole bunch of stuff in the river over there.
Yeah, I think we're gonna try to help these guys get their kayak and their tube out of the water. And other than that, we're just gonna look for stuff.
Dude,
so enjoy.
Hopefully find some stuff. Stay tuned.
Here we are getting in.
Oh boy.
Woohoo!
Oh boy.
Here we go.
Awesome, man! Let's see, what is it? What is it? Is it a Hero 5? That's our first GoPro.
First GoPro.
First GoPro.
I can't tell, is it Hero 5?
I can't tell either, dude.
Either way.
Either way. Dude, I'll bet you will be able to find out whose card that is.
Yeah,
or camera, yeah.
Because it doesn't look like it's been down very long. It looks pretty new, that's awesome.
Dude, that is so cool. Never found a ring before, guys. I'm so stoked. So it's like almost has a hammered look. Like, let me just rub off some of the
Crap.
boss.
Yeah. It looks good.
Yeah, I mean,
Might fit your pinky.
dude, you
don't
should wear that.
Don't put a ring on
You
me,
should.
dude.
I thought
That's weird, man.
you
That's
took
weird.
it. You accepted it.
There you go. Good find,
Hey,
dude.
awesome, dude. Nice, got some video for you.
Yeah.
Look at this freaking dive guy.
Here, open her up. See how she works.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Mr. Spencer over here. Oh, you squeeze these, I think.
Might have a dive knife.
Well, I think you have a lot of stuff in here. You can knock out. Just get the. There we go. Hey.
Nice, dude. Freaking dive knife.
Dive knife.
He's got a knife.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
Oh, that's so cool. It just clicks in.
Oh, that's cool.
Hey, good finding.
Here it goes straight down the river looking for some stuff.
Woo!
Yeah,
Another one?
another one.
Does it have a wallet?
It does. Look.
Oh!
His ID. I'll blur out his ID.
Hey,
Yeah, but
we're coming for you.
oh, he's in Oregon.
Hopefully it still works. We'll turn it on later. It's like you're wrapped up. Careful.
I need that dive knife.
Oh, it's right there, your left.
Oh yeah.
It's so it's so hard to hang on.
My fingers hurt. What's that? My fingers hurt.
You guys good?
Cell phones and GoPros. I got fishing lures. I got fishing lures. Hey, dude. Get a lot of those. They'll add up.
And we're back.
Scared me.
Actually, an awesome day on the super fun on the river. Cold water, but yeah, still flat.
Yeah, still a lot of fun. So this isn't everything we found. We've already done a big purge. We threw away. We've
Tons of
found
garbage.
5 other flip-flops that we threw away. A lot of garbage that we've already tossed. Yeah, this is one of 6 flip-flops that we found today. And it's gross, I'm touching
Yeah,
it.
we just checked them. Coronavirus.
Yeah, exactly. Trace found the fishing line cutters. Kind of fun.
Those are like worth a lot of money.
Yeah, Trace's little butt hurt because I found the cool stuff over here.
Yeah, we're not gonna go to this side. Go back to this side.
Found a lot of fishing lines, and then this is, once again, we already did a big purge, threw away stuff. But found a dive knife. That's pretty cool.
It is really cool.
Yeah,
I don't know the name brand. Do you
pops
see a
up.
name brand on it?
It says China.
Oh, it definitely has
China?
coronavirus on it. Then
China.
NRS, is that on the back side?
NRS. Yeah, right
All right,
there.
we'll look it up. NRS dive knife,
So dive knife, a little portable solar panel,
which is definitely
charger. Yeah, you could actually see right there. I don't know how well you can see, but there's water in there.
shot. Right.
Yeah, that looks like it's been down there for a while. Found a phone, and it looks like it's an Apple iPhone 10, maybe. The guy's ID's in here, but we'll cover that up. But he's got his ID, credit card, Costco card, and then American Express. And this looks like it's been down for a while.
Yeah, it's been
too.
down a ton.
It's got kind of like the growth on it.
Condensation and moss growing inside the lens.
Yeah.
And then
The GoPro.
GoPro.
And then it looks like it's a Hero 5.
And it turns on.
Yeah, it turns on. So
You guys
he must have
you saw
lost
that
it.
footage probably already, but
Yeah, he must have lost it like on Saturday. So this is his last time using his GoPro.
and we'll see if we can find this dude somehow.
Yeah, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get a hold of the guy.
Yeah, we're gonna find this dude. We're gonna locate him. We got a Costco card and an ID, full name, driver's license, etc. But yeah, let's see if we find him.
Unfortunately, we couldn't find the original owner of the phone. The phone actually doesn't work. And we waited like a week and a half to even plug in the phone. We have his ID though, and so we were trying to reach him on social media. Haven't heard back. It's been 3 weeks since we found the phone and since we basically reached out to him. So we'll keep waiting on that, but we want to post a video, so we're going to post the video. As for the GoPro, yeah, it's much harder to find an owner of a GoPro when there's no ID or anything about it. So we don't know what to do. We'll probably just use it for some of our videos, and hopefully we find the guy. If not, that's a bummer for him. Should have held on a little tighter to the GoPro. I thought I would also quickly address the change in the channel. So we used to be called Blinker Fluid. Trace and I, we just live a really adventurous, fun lifestyle. I don't know what you want to call it. We like just to do whatever. So we like to have fun with dirt bikes, scuba diving, cars, a whole bunch of stuff. So what we decided to do is change the channel to a more generic name, so then we could kind of do whatever we want to do. And so now we're going to do some scuba diving stuff. We'll do dirt biking stuff in the future. We're just going to make it a fun channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Trace and I always love making content, so there'll be more to come in the near future, so we'll see you then.